Hey guys, Joe here, 690ADV, 690ADV.com. Here's your tip in 2 minutes or less of the day. One thing that I like to do when I'm done with my moto trips, and I even take it on my moto trips, is I like to carry this with me, and I always carry it in the 690 garage, is Seafoam. I love that stuff, man. Seafoam is just a fantastic product. It works not just with bikes, it works with everything. Four-wheelers, side-by-sides, your truck, your car, it just doesn't matter. It does a great job. It stabilizes your fuel, it cleans your injectors, your lifters, the whole 9 yards. It's really, really good stuff. About every 3 or 4 fill-ups, I like to pour in, about a couple of ounces of this stuff, and it just makes my bike run great. It does a fantastic job. And right before I do an oil change, I'll pour a little bit in my crankcase, and guess what? It'll clean the whole engine out, get it all nice and clean, dump in that brand new oil, makes my bike run nice and smooth. Anyway, Seafoam or any of my stuff, you get it right down there in the description. It's cheap. Anytime you buy something from 690, guess what? In our affiliate links, it really helps the channel out, and we really do appreciate you. But Seafoam, pick some up. I promise you, you will not regret it. It's not very expensive. And that's your tip in 2 minutes or less.